8 tech inventions you didn't know existed. Subscribe to the channel and comment down below saying I subscribe to enter this month's shoutout giveaway. Number 1. Living, breathing running shoes. If everything goes according to Shami's Aiden's plan, you maybe one day never need to buy another pair of running shoes. The designer and biotech researcher unveiled her product concept, a collaboration with the University of Southern Denmark professor at London's Wearable Futures conference. The shoes are 3D printed using protocells, molecules that are not alive but can be combined to create living organisms, and conform to the wearer's foot like a second skin. After a run, they'd need basic care like a houseplant, and they could also respond to pressure exerted by the wearer, inflating or deflating as needed to better cushion the foot. The technology needed to create a fully functioning prototype, however, is still about 20 years away. Number 2. The phone you can take apart like Legos. Like playing with Legos, a modular smartphone is a make-it-yourself device consisting of an endoskeleton base and molecules that attach to create a custom phone. Don't care about having a camera? Swap it out for a larger battery. Want to update your display without getting an entirely new phone? You could do that too. Motorola has been collaborating on a mission to make these devices a reality with Dave Hackins, the creator of a similar initiative called Phone Blocks, since the past fall. Project Ara would result in less electronic waste with devices that last a lot longer. Leading 3D printer manufacturer 3D Systems also recently got involved in an effort to improve the phone's blocky aesthetics. Number 3. Freshly baked printed pizza. Giving us even more reason to send funds its way, NASA awarded Systems and Materials Research Corporation a grant this year to develop a 3D food printer. And boy did they deliver. The device combines powdered ingredients with water and oil on a heated surface to make dough, sauce, and a protein-based topping. Astronauts on a mission to Mars, where a food supply would need to last at least 15 years, according to Systems and Materials, would be able to print their own meals. But the designers behind the printer envision something more, a future where dishes are custom printed to fulfill individual nutritional needs. But we just want a slice of that pizza. Do they come in slices? Number 4. An app that catches your dreams. Shadow is an app designed to wake you up oh so gently, because no one likes a jarring wake up, and because that's the best way to bring you into hypnopompic sleep, the space between sleep and awake where dreams are most easily remembered. The app would then prompt you to record your dream via text or voice. It would result in a database of dreams that could not only help individuals better understand themselves, but could give sleep scientists more fodder for analysis. Shadow was successfully funded on Kickstarter back in November, so you can look out for it sometime soon. Number 5. Shower that reuses your soapy water. The Orbseas shower comes to save up to 90% of water you normally use to get yourself clean by catching and sending it right back to you. Don't worry, the dirty soapy water goes through a purification process first before it emerges as drinking quality at a higher than average pressure. And because the used water only needs to be reheated slightly, the shower saves up to 80% in energy, or about $1,350 per year from average utility bill. Swedish tech company Orbital Systems developed the shower with NASA's Johnson Space Center, having been inspired by the designs used in space missions, where fresh water is obviously limited. Number 6. A mind-reading camera that makes life gifable. How many times has a moment so absolutely hilarious or unbelievably adorable unfolded before your eyes, making you wish you'd been holding a video camera? A Japanese tech company, NeuroWare's high-tech headgear, NeuroCam, aims to solve that problem for you. The device straps a camera and an electroencephalograph reader to the wearer's cranium. During moments of high-frequency electronic signals detected through the skull, a general indication of excitement, the camera switches on to record short 5-second GIFs onto an iPhone that is somewhat awkwardly attached to the device. Number 7. A bike wheel that can save your commute and the planet. Instead of arriving to work breathless and drenched in sweat, what if you could glide up to the bike rack with ease, knowing you've just saved time by not walking, as well as dollars in pollution by not driving? The FlyCly Smart Wheel aims to help promote biking as a transportation alternative by making the whole ordeal easier. Simply switch out your rear bike wheel with a new, minimalist electric one, and download the app for your smartphone. The wheel communicates with your phone via Bluetooth, tracking distance, time, and speed. The wheel can go up to 25 miles per hour for about 50 miles without needing a charge. Smart Wheel's Kickstarter campaign was funded above and beyond its goal back in November, and pre-orders are starting now. Number 8. A wristband that lets your boss play Big Brother. You may have heard of quantified self, the term coined by Wired editors Gary Wolf and Kevin Kelly in 2007 to describe the growing practice of logging personal biological data. Nike's Fuel Band, for example, really took off this year by offering wearers the chance to track their own physical activity. Back in February, however, British supermarket Tesco was accused of using armbands on each of its warehouse workers to monitor speed of work, punishing workers for taking unauthorized breaks. It's helped spark a conversation about the concept of a quantified workplace, wherein employers use increasingly commonplace tracking devices ostensibly to help employees help themselves become better worker bees. Yes, this kind of efficiency study has been used for over a century already, but it could add to the vast amount of personal data that is already beginning to replace traditional hiring and firing practices. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.